Welcome to Webstyle Press. Digital marketing is about reaching out to customers through various online platforms, and a sales letter plays a crucial role in this process. A sales letter is a direct form of communication intended to persuade potential customers to purchase a product or service. This persuasive power is what makes sales letters an effective tool in digital marketing. Sales letters allow businesses to directly communicate with their target audience. They are designed to grab the reader's attention, create interest, stimulate desire, and provoke action. Sales letters are highly customizable, which allows personalized communication. Businesses can tailor their message based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. Personalization has proven to be effective in engaging customers and improving conversion rates. Customers appreciate when businesses understand their needs and preferences, and this is exactly what a sales letter can provide when used correctly. Additionally, sales letters also contribute to brand awareness and loyalty. The consistent use of brand elements such as logos, color schemes, and particular tone of language in sales letters can strengthen a company's brand image. With the right message, they can also evoke positive emotions, create a connection with the audience, and foster customer loyalty. Sales letters can also be used for follow ups or remarketing purposes. By keeping track of customer behavior and interaction, businesses can determine who did not complete a purchase and send them a tailored sales letter to reignite their interest. A well written sales letter can effectively contribute to digital marketing efforts by directly communicating with customers, providing personalized content, boosting brand awareness, and enabling follow ups. It is an essential tool that businesses can leverage to improve their online presence and ultimately their sales performance. In this video tutorial, we will generate a user persona for your business and we will generate an example sales letter. A user persona is critical for crafting a sales letter as it ensures the message is tailored, relevant, and resonates with the specific needs and desires of the potential customer. So here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not provide bullet points. Do not self reference. Do not explain what you are doing. The usual stuff. Here is the context. We want professional voice tone, analytical writing style. Language should be English. For business or services, I'm going with web development services. Business location, United States. Total words limit 400. You can adjust words limit according to your need. And here are the instructions. You are a marketing researcher. According to the context provided, generate a detailed user persona for mentioned business or services that sells mentioned services in mentioned location. First, write user persona creation for mentioned services in mentioned location as the heading. Then create a subheading called demographics. Below, you need to create a table with the two columns and 7 rows with the following format. So we are asking ChatGPT to generate the response in specific format. Column 1 should contain data points. Data points are name, age, occupation, annual income, marital status, family situation, and location. And this is all random, by the way. Column 2 should be answers for each data point in column 1 based on the specific market, web development services. Or you can choose to type here according to the business or services mentioned in the context. Now create a subheading called sales letter for above persona. Below this, generate a long form sales letter of around 400 words using this persona. Words limit is duplicate. I mentioned it here as well. Words limit should be according to the context provided. I have kept the requirements in the context separately so that we can adjust these according to our need. Let's generate sales letter. Okay, so here is an example user persona. User persona creation for web development services in United States. So here is example name, age, occupation, small business owner, annual income, this much, marital status married, family situation, 2 children, location, San Francisco, CA. Sales letter for above persona. Dear user, running a small business is a daunting task. As a devoted husband or father, you understand the value of your time and importance of a work-life balance. It's necessary to entrust certain aspects of your business to professionals. When it comes to your digital presence, we can lighten your load. We know how challenging it is to wear multiple hats as a business owner. Between managing daily operations, handling finances, and providing quality customer service, the task of building a professional online presence often takes a backseat. Our web development services are designed specifically to help ambitious entrepreneurs like you. We cater to business owners who understand the importance of a strong digital footprint but lack the time or technical expertise to execute it themselves. Imagine having a beautifully designed, fully responsive website that not only captivates your customers but also operates smoothly to generate more leads, drive sales, and increase your bottom line. Picture a platform that reflects your brand's vision, caters to your customers' needs, and scales as your business grows. Our team of experts not only deliver aesthetically pleasing and functionally excellent websites, but we also ensure they are optimized for search engines, mobile responsive, and equipped with robust security features. We help your business gain a competitive edge in the digital landscape. We offer full transparency in our pricing and processes. Our approach is collaborative. We work with you at every step from initial consultation and design phase through the testing and deployment, ensuring your vision comes to life on your terms. Invest in your business's digital future today and free up precious time for what matters most to you. Our web development services are more than an expense. They are strategic investment towards your business growth. Let us take the complexity out of web development. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us start building your online success story. Sincerely, your name, your position, your contact details. So here's the sales letter. If we have a web development services business, change business or services and generate a business letter that is right for your audience. Awesome, right? It's easy with ChatGPT. Now here we have got a name. This is an individual. Well, that was for the buyer persona or customer persona or user persona. You can skip this name and instead of targeting one individual, you can craft this sales letter to target a wider audience if you don't use the single name in this sales letter. Little bit adjustments here and there, and you can adjust this sales letter to target a broad audience. So use this technique in ChatGPT to generate a sales letter easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.